Taurus forecast for 2021 around love. Venus, the goddess of love, is a dominant planet for Taurus. That means that people born under your sign can be quite romantic. Even so, romance might take a long time to develop because in love you move forward in a very slow and steady way, and you won't settle for just anyone. You can be very, very picky. One of the problems can be that you often seek perfection, which is not truly attainable. Once you develop enough wisdom to know that someone can be perfect for you without being perfect, you will be fine. You are someone who craves stability in all aspects of your life, and what is more important than a happy and rewarding love life? Your partner should be someone who can give you that sense of security that you crave. When you do choose a partner, you are in it for the long haul. For single Taurus people, this can be a sublime year of exploration and discovery of a very special person, but you aren't one to make a choice immediately. Even when someone captures your attention, just be careful that if you do meet a person who seems like they might just be the one, that you let them know how you feel so they know where they stand. For Taurus people who have a significant other, this is a great year to rev up the romance factor to its highest level yet. Make your love life one of the most important things to you this year. For your partner is a great source of strength and comfort for you. By showing how beautifully romantic you can be, you can keep the music playing.